Are you working on your product's packaging but have no clue about which sort of printing technology to choose? In this video, I'm going to talk about 5 printing technologies that you can look at for your product's packaging. Hi, I'm Ankit Ahuja, Managing Partner at Paktech. We are a 27-year-old organization and aim to provide you with the best packaging solutions for your product. Technology number 1, lithography or offset printing. Offset is nowadays one of the most commonly used form of printing technologies for an extensive range of products. It involves the use of an aluminum plate that contains the image to be printed. When the plate is inked, only the image part holds the ink. This ink is then transferred to a rubber blanket, which then transfers it to the printing surface, which could be paper. Now, when should you choose this printing? When your emphasis is on the quality of printing, when there are a lot of images involved, go for offset printing. A lot of the stuff that you see in the supermarkets is printed using this technology. Now, what are the downsides? The downsides to this is that there's a huge cost of tooling involved. It takes more time to set up. You require huge quantities and the lead times are longer. Technology number 2, flexography or flexo printing. Flexography uses the same principle as a rubber stamp. The term flexo refers to the flexible rubber film which is mounted on a cylinder. Now, the good part about this printing technique is that the tooling cost is very low. The bad part is that trying to print images on this is not going to be a good experience. Most of the shipping boxes that you see are flexo printed. It can only be used for printing solid colors and not photo quality images. Technology number 3, digital or inkjet printing. Now, this type of printing is similar to the digital printers that you have at home. So these digital printers are like big brothers of those printers. They use the same principle. Now, digital printing is great when you're trying to create a product mock-up. You should not opt for digital printing when you have huge quantities, although the turnaround times are very fast. It's as fast as taking a printout at home. The same cannot be said about other technologies. So the good part about digital printing is it is quick, the quality is quite nice, you can print photo images. Now, digital printing is not very convenient when you talk about volumes. Most of the photo studios that you go to use digital printing. So choose a digital printer when you're trying to create a product mock-up or the quantity is small. Printing technology number 4, screen printing. Screen printing involves the use of a stencil which is called a mesh. Once the ink is poured over the mesh, a device called squeeze is used to firmly press the surface of the mesh. And by doing this, the ink is transferred to the medium. Now, screen printing is a great tool for custom packaging. The good thing, the tooling cost is not very high. It can be used on different types of surfaces and shapes. The bad thing is, it requires a lot of human effort and hence it is not ideal for high volumes. The printing quality is also not that good. Technology number 5, Rotogravure. Rotogravure is similar to offset printing. Even the machines look a little similar at the first glance. So there's a printing cylinder on which the image is engraved. There's a cylinder smeared with ink and the piece of paper lies between these two. So this printing cylinder presses this piece of paper onto the cylinder smeared with ink, and that's how the image gets transferred on the piece of paper. Now, gravure is great for very high volumes. The printing quality is top notch. It is one of the most commonly used methods for folded cartons and stand-up pouches. The problems with this printing technique is there is a high investment on tooling, the lead times are longer. My aim here was to make you aware of the different types of printing technologies that are out there, their strengths and weaknesses, and how they can affect your decision making. Thank you for watching, guys. Hope you like the video. Please press thumbs up, share and subscribe. Thank you.